Is there enough room for yet another full-screen phone? That's the question Huawei hopes to answer with the Mate 10 Pro, the company's latest phablet, which leverages artificial intelligence in ways no one has done before. For 2017, Huawei bumped up the screen size in the Mate 10 Pro model to 6 inches, shrank the bezels and maximized the battery life. But the biggest change is the Kirin AI processor, which enables real-time objection recognition in the camera in addition to blazing fast performance. This device is one of the most ambitious smartphones of the year, and a worthy alternative to Samsung's Galaxy Note 8. Huawei announced at CES 2018 that the Mate 10 Pro will be available for pre-order starting February 4 for $799 from the company's own website, as well as Amazon, Best Buy, Microsoft, B&H, and Newegg. It will officially hit stores on February 18. Contrary to reports leading up to the conference, the phone will not be offered through a US carrier, at least for the time being. The Mate 10 Pro sandwiches a polished metal frame between two slabs of curved Gorilla Glass 5, with minimal bezels all around. The screen's border is ever so slightly less chunky than that of Samsung's Galaxy Note 8. This is no infinity display, though, so you don't get the same illusion of depth. The Mate 10 Pro's dual cameras represent a series of firsts for Huawei. The handset combines a 12-megapixel main sensor with a 20-megapixel monochrom one, both of which sport f/1.6 apertures, the widest of any camera the company has ever produced. Only the LG V30 equals the Mate 10 Pro's camera, though with just one lens. The Mate 10 Pro's exceptional battery life is one big reason why you'd opt for this machine over other top flagships. Its 4000 mAh battery delivered 14 hours and 33 minutes of web surfing on T-Mobile's LTE network, good enough to beat the Note 8 by more than 3 hours. Among premium flagships, the Pixel 2 XL lasted 1209 and the iPhone X 1049. The iPhone 8 Plus hit 1116.